बायणा सावन पणजे फेरी सेवा लोकांच्या सेवे खातीर सुरू जाल्या. पर्रीकार सरकारान बायणाक पर्यटन रुपात वेगळे वळण दिलां म्हण थंयचे थळावे सांगतात. RDX गोवा खातीर बायणाच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
The area that we started to operate from is Baina Beach, where we call it the airport ferry terminal. For this, we have to thank, Mr. Manohar Parikar, who has been instrumental in actually bringing Baina back to its original glory. It went through a bad reputation at one time. Actually, as you can look around you, it's probably one of the finest locations that we can find in Goa in terms of beach. And we hope to bring it back as a beach destination again. That was our primary reason to choose Baina as a location. Specific to your question about how it will change tourism, Goa is about water and the intertidal zone. It's about water and beaches. We are bringing that experience much closer to the customers, to guests or visitors of Goa today. Rather than them going inland, we are moving them by water. So we expect their experiences that they will take back will be much more positive.
Mr. Parikar, where they want to use the waterways and try and decongest the roads a little, but more importantly, experience that people get should be different. So what what you've seen in front is the first jetty which has been created. We intend creating 5 more jetties like this, and the first boat is here, which you will go round in just now. This boat will go from here to Sinkerry to Panjim to Old Goa. Okay, and there is a second route which we are planning is from here to Baga to Arambo. And the third route is from here to Mobar to Palod. So basically we are connecting the entire coast and connecting it to Old Goa.
Officially we are starting from tomorrow itself as our services, but we'll be inaugurating it the moment we have dates from the dignitaries who are ready to come for the inauguration. It will be a week or 10 days time.